Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing Vids.co, which is an amazing and best AI video creation platform. So before we dive in, you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial and exclusive benefit on this platform, Vids. Now talking about video creation process, it has amazing set of tools that can provide you to create amazing content. Guys, you can see we have Instagram Reels, Facebook posts, YouTube videos, and even tweet to video, text to video, and a video. So these are the automations that are provided. If you want to create your first YouTube video, you can utilize its power because it is going to be creating something highly engaging, eye-catching, and super good looking. So let's say you want to create an Instagram reel, simply click on that. Now we need to simply select the scene that we want to add in here, and let's just select any of these, click on a video. Then you can see it has added text which are totally customizable. Of course, you can see social. Let's just type in here anything, like for example AI, and in the second place we can also change this and also move its position so it could be adjusted according to our taste and liking. You can see this looks really good now. You can also incorporate your own logo if you want to do, and customize each and every aspect of that logo. So once you do, click on preview and your scene will be edited. You can see this looks really simple now because I have not added much edits. So you got the point, right? It is in fact looking really decent. So yeah, that's how simply you can create videos using Vids and give it a try. Create yourself amazing videos, and most importantly, AI is here to help you in this platform. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Also, make sure to head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial and exclusive benefits. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.